Need powerful cooking in a space-saving package? The Insignia 0.9 cubic foot compact microwave proves great things come in small packages. This 900-watt powerhouse delivers serious heating performance that rivals larger microwaves. Perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, offices, RVs, or kitchens where counter space is precious. Sleek stainless steel exterior with black accents looks modern and professional. Plus, it is incredibly easy to clean. Inside, 0.9 cubic foot capacity with rotating turntable ensures even heating every single time. No more cold spots in the center. 9 preset cooking functions let you cook popcorn, reheat leftovers, defrost frozen foods, or prepare potatoes at the touch of a button. No guessing required. 11 power levels give precise control from gentle warming to quick heating. LED digital display and simple touch controls make operation completely intuitive. The glass turntable removes easily for dishwasher cleaning. Whether heating pizza, making popcorn for movie night, defrosting chicken, or warming coffee, this microwave handles it all with ease. Why compromise on features to save space? Find the link in the description and comments below.